We see the beauty, but we rarely see the math. Nature's elegance hides complex systems. Consider a murmuration of starlings. Each bird follows simple rules. Together, they create stunning patterns. Look closer at a goose's wing. Invisible forces lift it effortlessly. Aerodynamics, a silent partner. Even a leaf reveals secrets. Microscopic engines power its growth. Photosynthesis, nature's alchemy. From the smallest cell to the grandest ecosystem, math and science intertwine. Every flutter, every root, obeys natural laws. This is the logic of the wild, the hidden order of life. Explore the invisible forces. Discover the silent engines. Understand the wild's math. Join us on a journey into the heart of nature's code. Uncover the secrets of the wild. Delve into the science unseen. Witness the beauty in the math. Experience the hidden nature. We reveal the unseen world, the science that surrounds us, the math that makes it possible. Unlock the mysteries of nature. Hidden nature science. Explore, discover, understand. Welcome to the unseen world. This is Hidden Nature Science.